Alright, welcome back to Wagers Transport. We're doing some maintenance work today. So what we're doing is changing shocks. Look at how bad that is. Terrible. So I took this bolt out already, which is this one. The bottom bolts are impossible to get to. Well, you can get to them, but they're like, I don't know, like joined with the shock under in here. So I can get this off, but I can't knock the bolt out without taking the wheel off. And so what I'm gonna have to do is take the Sawzall and metal cutting blade, and I'm gonna cut here and here, and then that will release the bottom of the shock. So once I release the bottom of the shock, then this will just be all loose. It'll come out. And then I went and got new bolts so I can replace this bolt, replace the shock. Look at that. Yeah, I can't believe I let it go this long. But yep, that's what we're doing today. Let's get working. All right, show you what I'm working with. I got my DeWalt Sawzall, got some gloves and a blade, lock in there, and I gotta get it in there to cut it. I just gotta make sure I don't hit the airbag. There should be enough room. I can move things around, but it's gonna be not fun with this airbag, but just make sure you don't hit it. Get the cutting. All right, show you where I'm at. I did get this cut, which is really no problem. Getting this one, yeah, I've tried what I could. I cannot get the blade in there. There's absolutely no room to get down there and cut that right there. So what I'm gonna have to do is take the airbag off, which is not bad. It's the bolt here, probably just one bolt on the bottom. Yep, like one bolt on the bottom, one bolt on the top. I'm gonna loosen those up, and then then I'll air it up, and it'll raise up, and this one will stay deflated. I have this here, a little plug, and what that's going to do, it's going to go in where this line connects to the air splitter. I'll plug it, I'll unplug that line from the air splitter and plug this in, so there's no air will go here, and then it'll keep this deflated. When these raise up, it'll leave that gap, and then this will just literally fall off. So I just got to go track this hose down to see what plug it is and plug it. The line is plugged. You see right there the white plug. So I plugged the line and started up the truck, aired up the air, undid this bolt and the bolt on the bottom, raised it up, and then here's the airbag, completely unhooked, and these are still intact. So I got all that room now to cut that bolt. Easy as that. Alrighty, well, got this one off. There's what it looks like after I cut it. Cut it in there. Pretty bad shape shock. Look at this. Well, done with that one. Let's get the new one thrown on. All right, there we go. All mounted back up. New hardware on the bottom. The bolt's a little long. longer than the other one, but I might can just cut off the end a little bit if I don't like it that far out, but it don't hurt anything. It's not gonna hit anything. But the airbag's back on, bolted back up. So what I did, I dumped the back airbags to get this bolted back on, then I raised it back up, and this still has no air in it, but it's up because of then I raised it back up, bolted it up, and I'm gonna go and undo that plug that I have in there, that white plug, and put it on this line, and then do this shock. Shock number 2, same concept. These bolts came out good. I had to take the airbag off and cut that one and put a new bolt in, and there's the new shock. Pain in the butt, because the bolts that you have to cut they're so hard that I just going through saw blades like crazy. So I only did these 2, and I still got those up there to do. Man, this thing needs a bath. There's the other one. So we get it. Got these 2 for now. Get some more blades and tackle the other 2. All right, thanks for watching. See you.